First, you add the desired amount in your cup. Be sure to look at the directions on the product. Add your hot shots and stir vigorously while adding steamed milk to the brim. To eliminate clumps, we suggest stirring well with our own patented Baristir. For iced drinks, add the desired amount of flavor to a stainless mixing cup. Add hot shots and stir well. Add milk or alternative and then ice. Pour into a cup and enjoy. Thanks for watching. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. Simply contact us. Gosh That's Good brand, creating happy customers since way before yesterday. This also makes a delicious ice blended drink. Watch our Amazamix video to learn how.